Hey everybody, it's Keith with the L1 Automotive Training Channel. And today I've been at my computer all day. I've got some projects going on with some other companies, and this popped up on Facebook. So this is from a very large shop advisor, shop ownership training company. They do, it's a thing you join, you pay money, and they help you fix your shop. So read this post real quick. You can pause here, and I'll just post it over the top of my face, and tell me what you think this means. Is it good? Is it bad? Does it make sense? I've got my own personal thoughts about it, and I removed who it's from. So there's no, hopefully there's no bias there. Some of you that know who it's from, please don't post. I want to see real reactions and comments. Tell me what you think. Is this good for the industry? Is it bad for the industry? Hopefully you're a vehicle owner and you have thoughts about this. That's what I really want to know, is from the vehicle owners out there and the consumers. What do you feel about a shop that uses this particular method? Awesome. So put down in the comments what you think. Good, bad, or ugly, indifferent. I don't care. Tell me what you think, but I really want to hear from you vehicle owners. What do you think about this?